everyone, so for this week we've got an interactive storybook that you get to create. Now here is a sample of a novel that I created. The title of this book is called Something I Need. Let's go ahead and open this book up. Here we have our little character. So, once upon a time, Tara was sitting inside the house, so bored. She looked around her room. There was nothing to do. Even the spiders were bored. So she decided to go outside. Maybe she wouldn't be bored there. She goes outside. Even the birds were singing, "I'm bored." So she walks to the park. There was nobody around to play with. "I'm bored," Tara says. So she kept on walking. There was still nobody there. Maybe if I go a bit forward, I would find something that wouldn't make me bored. So Tara walks on, and lo and behold, she comes upon Clap Studio. There were so many amazing things at the window. So many creative things. People were happy. People were making amazing projects. So she decided to go in. She goes in the studio, and who does she meet? She meets Miss Laura. "Hi, Miss Laura," Tara says. "Do you have anything for me? I'm so bored. There is something I need to keep my mind excited and happy." Miss Laura says, "Well, Tara, I've already got the right thing for you. Our kits, we've got so many kits for you right now. So why don't you go ahead and choose what you want? Here, I've got a kit just for you." Oh, Tara was so happy. She got her own kit with her name on it. "Thank you, Miss Laura," says Tara. "I'm going to go ahead and create all these projects." So Tara rushes over home, and look at that. She started making all these projects, which you can get on our Clap Studio website. The end.